Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make digital products on Wix. So first and foremost, you just have to go to www.wix.com and then sign up for a free account or login. So this is Wix, and what you're going to do here is you have to tap on create new template in order for you to create new website. So tap this one right here, and I strongly suggest that you choose business or e-commerce during setup. So you have to click this one right here, and then after that, you have to tap on setup without a chat. I strongly suggest this one for easier way. And then here you have to choose business or e-commerce. You'll need a premium plan to accept online payments, just to remind you. So now what you're going to do here is tap on continue, and then it will prepare for your dashboard. Add the name of your store right here. You have to set up everything here, like what you're going to sell. Also, do you want to sell or you want to offer other services? So you just have to answer everything here. What kind of products you're about to sell. So just answer everything here. It's not that really hard questions. Just click, and then after that, proceed. You're all set. You have now your dashboard. Here you can set up everything like payment method. But let's just go further to design our template or site. So for a beginner, I strongly suggest pick a template first and then search for anything here related to your products. So you can choose the recommended, tap on edit, and then you just have to change everything here like the fonts, the name, the picture. So I'm going to change this one with the name of my store. So I will be selling digital product like, let's just say, books, ebooks. Now in Wix you have to go to app market and then search for anything here like digital. If you want to sell digital, okay, you can choose this one, but let's just choose Wix Store for the meantime. So I strongly suggest Wix Store. Add this to your site or to your template or website. This is what it looks like, and feel free to delete these products. What you're going to do now is go to your Canva and then create that digital product that you're about to sell through Wix. So let's just say we will be selling, or I will be selling a book. I will go to design, look for ebook, create my ebook right here. Okay. And then just add page, create my ebook story, like children's book, and then download, make sure it's PDF. Okay. And then after that, tap on download right here. Once done, you can now go back to Wix and then manage your store. Once you tap on manage here, you can now add your products. So let me delete these products first. And then after that, create new product, digital, import the product or import the digital product that we have created using Canva. Add information right here and then tap on save, publish, go back to your Wix, and you will see your digital product here. And that's how you make digital products on Wix. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.